What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. We had yet another green day, guys. 11 out of 12 green days in a row. The SoFi stock cannot be stopped during any type of market movements right now. And the best part about all of that is the management team has dropped basically no news this year since the Blue Owl deal. We are waiting on a massive catalyst our way, which is the crypto official launch, another loan platform deal in the $5 to $10 billion range. And then, of course, they've already said they are closing deals left and right. When it comes to the Galileo technology service, they see about 10 deals coming on in Q1 2026. Guys, I'm telling you right now, the management team is more focused than ever to get this stock to all-time highs, and of course the bonus compensation package of $45. They have three levels right now that the management team needs to hit: 25, 35, and 45. Those levels need to be hit by June 2026, and they also have to be held over that level to actually receive the bonus for 30 days. So guys, we only have like 11 months left, and I believe management is about to time everything together with rate cuts. If you time all of that together, we're going to break all-time highs immediately. And now I know a lot of people are just mentally damaged from this stock being a long-term investor over the past couple of years, and people's upside where they think the stock can go is so minimal right now because they've been let down so many times. Guys, I've seen $25 price target 1,000 times from 1,000 different people. We are going to launch way over $25 this year in 2025. As you can see, the higher the stock goes, these movements on these percentage changes are becoming more dramatic. Guys, it only takes a 25% move from here and we're going to be breaking over $25. And we haven't even got any good news in the past 3 to 4 months. Management is trying to time everything. They want to hit these bonuses. They're timing it all around the interest rate cuts. And remember, guys, SoFi earnings is the 29th. We're looking at about 19 total days away from the SoFi earnings. So the SoFi stock is just waiting on some news. And it's not just fundamentals that's going to raise this stock. It is shorted to oblivion right now. 148 million shares sold short still in this new lower interest rate environment we are about to enter with 4 to 6 rate cuts over the next 18 months. These guys are still short over $2 billion, 15% short right now. This is just a squeeze waiting to happen if SoFi can blow out this earnings report and actually give us 40% growth, $100 million bottom line profitability in every measurement, next quarter guidance raised. That is what we're waiting for. So I think we're going to clear $30 pretty easily this year. We still have about 5 to 6 months left. There's still a lot of time to go and we're still waiting on those cuts. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to click the link in my comment section. You can sign up for a SoFi checking and savings account, get 3.8% APY, and receive all the perks and benefits. And also, you can sign up for the VIP Patreon group. We're making some big SoFi trades in there. The one we just put in a couple of days ago is up 70% already. All right, guys, we're looking at the SoFi chart right here. You can see the all-time highs, back when the company went public. And here are all the levels that we were just at a couple of months ago. $9, the $13.90, the $16.20, the $19 to $19.50. And this is the next level, guys, $23, okay? You can see we hit this level 3 times back in the day. That $22 to $23 is that level we're trying to get to. That's the next big resistance, $22 to $24. Everybody's been saying a bunch of different price targets, 23, 24, 25. Just know that is the next, gap up we're looking to hit, and it could be happening pretty soon if SoFi gives us some pretty big news, something correlated to crypto or a loan platform business deal. Now, you continue to hear me talk about this short squeeze, this short interest. Guys, it is insane right now. Short interest current. 148 million shares sold short. So we've not been telling any lies about this. It was previously 144 million. They went up another 2.7%. Daily volume sold short, $2 billion. Absolutely insane. Almost 14%, 13.72% of the entire, outstanding shares. Look at this. We only got 1.1 billion, 14% short right now, guys. This is absolutely perfect timing when you have the interest rate cuts, SoFi about to hit its fastest growth quarter in the last, 2 years. Everything is timed perfectly for SoFi. I know a lot of people are mentally damaged about this stock and no one has any, confidence. I understand. That's why you're seeing these $25 price targets thrown out all over the place. We are going to smoke through that $25 in no time at all. That's a 25% move from here. And the higher up we go, the percentage changes move us up more amounts of dollars even faster. Here we go, guys. I said breaking news. SoFi is 1 hour away from closing 11 out of 12 green days. I posted this at about 3 o'clock. And of course, today, guys, we finished over $20. We finished green. 11 out of 12 green days. This stock is on a freaking roll right now. If we have this type of price action the next 1 to 2 weeks, 8 out of 10 green days, 7 out of 10 green days, we're going up from here. We're going to get to that $23 to $25 level in no time at all. I mean, you can see the stock had pretty low volume today, around 60 million. There's just not a lot of sellers at this level. The short interest is getting hit hard. These guys are wrong, and they're going to pay the price when we get the big news announcement. All right, guys, and we got breaking news. SoFi hits third highest website traffic in company history for the month of June. The traffic always comes out about a week later. April, 21 million. May, 19.5 million. June, back up to 20.2 million. This is the third highest in company history. Total traffic for Q1 was 58.6 million. The upcoming traffic for Q2 hit 60.7 million. So about 2 million more in traffic. Maybe it was a little bit cheaper cost. Maybe our customer acquisition cost is going to come down a little, and maybe the cross buying accelerates even faster, and we'll just have to wait and see. But I believe we're going to have a big revenue guidance increase. I think we're going to creep into the 820 to 840 million revenue range. That's about a 70 million jump quarter over quarter. This is a monster quarter, guys. We put up the highest traffic in company history. Now, I know a lot of people are always talking about, price targets. How should we price SoFi? Let's just do everything, guys. Should we value revenue, EBITDA, and net income? Let's just do all three, okay? This is what the stock price would look like going off of the outstanding shares at $25. The revenue price to sales would be 8x. This is very, very low in this industry. We're lower than Upstart, Chime, all the above. EBITDA price to sales would only be at 27x, even at $25, another $5 up from here. Price to earnings about 76. You're seeing multiple SaaS industry companies get 300, 400, 500 times PE ratio. We're growing faster than 95% of those companies. 76 times PE. It will grow into the company's PE later on. $50 price target. Revenue price to sales, 16x. You're still seeing Robinhood trade above 20x right now, so this is still not bad for the revenue side. EBITDA price to sales, 55x. This is still cheaper than Affirm and Chime, where they're trading at right now. And then price to earnings, 152x. It is getting a little bit stretched right here. If you're going off of 2025 profitability, I just put it in at 360 million. It could come in at 400, 420, 440. We just have to wait and see. But right now, it would be a little bit stretched valuation at $50 inside of 2025. And then price target, $75. 2025 revenue price to sales, 24x. A little bit higher than Robinhood's right now. EBITDA price to sales, 82x. Slightly higher than Affirm, lower than Chime's, 100x. Price to earnings, 229x. This is where it would get extremely frothy. This is where you definitely would want to take a percentage off the table if we were to get to $75 off of some type of short squeeze inside of 2025. But guys, I personally believe we are going to finish above 25, and I believe, maybe around 45. I think 25 to 45 is realistic over the next 6 months with all the catalysts that we have heading our way. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to sign up for a SoFi checking and savings account. Get that 3.8% APY. Grow your cash on autopilot. And don't forget to subscribe to the Patreon, the VIP Patreon group. We just put a day trade inside of SoFi. It's up 70% already. And we have multiple other options that are all green in the money. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated. Hope you have a great day.